In Stacking Up today, trader Todd Bubba Horwitz of BubbaTrading.com says he is shorting this market because that big ride is over. Good to have you on the show.
Good morning, and the ride is over. Tickets, please.
Okay, you say you called the top on our show.
All right.
The alleged top. We don't know if that was the top or not. So you're shorting the market at this point.
I am.
Are there some individual stocks that you're shorting, or just an overall SPX or SPY short here?
You know, that's a great question. I'm not necessarily bearish individual stocks, because individual stocks can find levels that will make them move. You know, if you go back to 08 real quick and look at Amazon, Amazon was a buy in November of 08 at $30, and by the time the market actually bottomed, it was already 60. So now, of course, now it's 700. But when you look at them, you know, you don't want to get caught up with one individual stock based on the market. So I'm really a seller of the indexes, IWM, SPY, and the diamonds and the Qs as a big macro picture, but I'll still look to buy little individual stocks. And I think that, you know, if you look around today, there's a stock, Ambrella, looks pretty good. I mean, I think Ambrella, it's a little challenging, but it's had such a nice move, and each time it breaks a new high, it then pauses. And when you're trying to find something to buy longer term, you want to find it where it's steady. You don't want to chase it up, and you don't want to try to pick the bottom. When they get steady and it's consolidating, which it is right around 58, that looks like a pretty good play. I think Bubba looks pretty good here at around 81.50, 80.50, somewhere around there. So those are stuff that I like, and I would still buy. You know, just because I'm bearish does not mean I won't buy the market. I just won't buy the big indexes because I think those are through.
What about oil? Oil has been on the way down.
Yeah, no, I think oil is a great play here. I think when you look at the commodity space and you look what's going on, you've got the dollar's been extraordinarily strong, which puts pressure on commodities naturally. You've had a $35 call from Morgan Stanley, which usually means that they're actually looking to buy. You've had an overabundance of new rigs coming to the market again. They're going to start to come offline. So I think somewhere here, 40 to 42, I'm a buyer of oil, and you could look at a stock like Halliburton around the 42 level. Any of those oil service stocks, they're all going to get the same bounce we've gotten before, because we've all watched this movie and we see the same things repeat over and over again. And that's really when you're watching the charts, how they work.
Well, thanks for being on our show so people can watch you.
Thank you so much.
That's always entertaining.
Thank you.